Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be planning in my vertical layout. I'm not going to be redating and using my 2020 Planner Babe, but I did put some vertical months in here for November and December, and I'm going to be using the Planner Babe sticker books. So I did not pre-plan any of this, and when I did my Planner Babe unboxing, I told you guys that I was going to be using this for something, but I didn't want to tell you quite yet. But I will tell you now, because I've actually been doing this for, I did this last week and I'm going to be doing it this week, but I'm using this because I'm trying to get healthy. I'm tracking my meals, so I'm using this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then I'm also using the monthly. I will be tracking my steps and any exercise that I did. So what I've done is I took my wellness happy planner for, I think this was the 18-month happy planner, wellness planner that came out in March, and I'm going to be franken planning it with my Geo Dreams vertical layout. So I feel like I only need the 3 boxes to do breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so I'm not using the actual wellness layout because it has the reflection and different things down here. So I'm just going to be franken planning. So I did enjoy using it this week, and then this is my current week, so this is Monday, but I did use a little half sheet. My biggest downfall is Coke. I am addicted to Coke, and I know it's horrible, but that's real life. And when I'm hungry, I don't eat. I would rather drink a Coke. So those are things that I'm working on for myself. I know I'm almost 40 years old and I can't keep living like I'm 15 drinking soda all day. So I've actually been walking with my neighbor. My legs are like dead, so it feels good to get out and be active, and I want to stick to it, and I want to start feeling better. So I have cut my Cokes down tremendously, and I'm just going to keep focusing on that, but I do want to try to start eating when I'm hungry and making good choices on what I'm actually eating. So y'all let me know in the comments, am I the only one who has a soda addiction? I know it's horrible, it's frowned upon, but that's just my struggle. So now, like I said, I am all over the place here, and I'm not exactly sure what I want to do. And actually, I am in love with these stickers. Like, this sticker book is my favorite. I don't know what it is about these colors, but these colors just make me happy. So I'm going to try to find some stickers in here that I can use. And I am still using my guided journal. So I did quit doing the Plan With Me's because I'm using the positivity one, and there's really not much that needs to be decorated in that planner or in that layout, so I don't really have any Plan With Me's in my guided journal. So how about we use Happiness Blooms From Within, and what else? I like this, Look on the Bright Side or Radiate Positive Vibes. I think I'm going to do Radiate Positive Vibes. So we use those two, and maybe I can incorporate some of the Planner Babe stickers too. So I'm going to be using like a conglomeration of sticker books today, because like I said, I did not pre-plan this video. So I do want to use some of the discs that are in the Planner Babe, but let's just start by laying this down. Do I want to put it there? I think I'm just going to start in my normal corner. I don't know what it is about me and corners, but I feel like if I start in a corner, I can fill up. I can go up. So then we'll put Radiate Positive Vibes. Maybe maybe here. So I've always had a hard time figuring out this vertical layout, like how to lay my stickers. So I'm not sure how pretty or how put together this spread is going to turn out, because for some reason I just have a hard time making these boxes work for me, for my brain. So let's see. I do want to use some of these discs. Maybe it would be cute to put like icons for my meals with the discs. So I'll come back in and do that in a minute. Oh, I know what. I could use my disc washi that I wanted to use in my last plan with me, but I wanted to hoard it. So let's do this. Oh gosh, it just rolled over itself, y'all. Okay, let's put my discs at the top on both sides. It's kind of crooked. It's hard to get this little thin washi straight. It's a little crooked there, but that's okay. So then let's take this one and put up here. So then I will be incorporating my discs, and I can just scatter some discs around. Now I do need plenty of writing room in this layout if I'm going to be writing down my meals or using it as a food log. So I do want to, if I use a lot of decorations, I want to just use boxes so that I can write in them. So let's see. Not a whole lot in the way of boxes in this sticker book, but we do have these. So let's put this one here. And then we'll come over here and put another one. Where do we want to put this one? Maybe down here. I feel like I'm just like throwing stickers all over the page because I'm just trying to figure out this vertical layout, but some of you have asked me to do vertical plan with me, so when I figured out that what I was going to use this planner for, I thought it would be nice to go ahead and do some plan with me's for you guys. So let's see what we got here. I don't think there's much else in this book that I'm going to be able to use. Now this is cute. This says eat well, feel good. So I definitely need that. Oh, and this says good food, good mood. That's a good reminder for me. So we'll put those on my ideas page. It's what I call my wax paper, my ideas. And I will leave my book open on my little discs. Let's see what the mini has. See if there's anything in here that I can use. These stickers are so cute. I may be able to figure out how to use these. Let me think about that, because those would be really cute in there. Okay, so I'm not seeing anything else. Let me use these meal planning ones that are in here that are a little bit bigger. And then I can actually go in and kind of decorate around these little stickers. So what colors do I want to use? Let's use a yellow one. I'm only going to put a couple of these in the spread. I'll use this color, and then I do like these purples. I love this like lavender purple color. Alright, now let's see what's in the accessory book. See if there's anything in here I can use. I love these. I think I want to use this Planner Babe just because it's so pretty. I like these discs too. Alright, so I need to find something to go behind these stickers to kind of decorate them a little bit. So let's see. When in doubt, use a flower, right? Let's see what we've got for flowers. So we can use this pink with my yellow. We can use this with the purple. And what else do we have? Trying to find a small one. Let's just use this. No, I think what I'm going to do is use this one. It's got some greenery on it. I'll use it with the purple, and I'll put that one there. Alright, so let's try that and see where it gets us. So let's do the purple over here. So how do I want to do this? I always like to stagger my boxes and not like put them exactly in the box. So maybe we can just kind of put this sticker here. So that's cute. I think that purple sticker might be a little crooked, but we're going to ignore that. And let's put the yellow with the pink flower up here. Stagger this just a tad. I think I'll lift the edge of this up and put this flower under the bottom. Kind of like this. Okay, that's cute. And then let's put this one down at the bottom. Maybe down here. With this one kind of underneath the edge there. Not sure if I like that hanging over there, but we'll see. Okay, I want to use this Planner Babe logo, but I gotta remember to leave myself plenty of room to write. So let's put Planner Babe over here. Do I want to white this out? This line? I wonder if I have a jelly roll. I usually leave my jelly rolls in the other room. Yep, I don't have one with me, so I'm just going to use my Tombow and white out right behind the sticker so the black line doesn't mess it up too bad. That's pretty. So yeah, I feel like I'm all over the place on these vertical layouts, but it's definitely pretty and it'll help motivate me. So where do I want to put my two little stickers here? Eat Well, Feel Good. I think I'm going to put that here and just cover up the little utensils. And then my purple one, I think I'm going to put it over here. There. That looks pretty cute to me. And let's see if I can use one of these discs. What color? I think I'll use, now this says do all the things, but I'm just going to use it as a decoration, so I'm not really worried about what it says. So that's cute there. Okay. So I think I'm going to call this spread done, and just going to continue using it to track what I eat. And I think this will do it for me. So y'all let me know in the comments below, do you like vertical plan with me's? You're not going to hurt my feelings if you say that my vertical spreads are not as good as my other spreads, because I'm right there with you. But this is what it looks like. This is pretty enough that it'll motivate me to want to write in my planner every day. So hopefully you enjoyed, and if you did, you'll give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I hope you will consider, and if you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the little bell beside it so you don't miss any notifications when I upload. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye guys.